Stop sounding like you're begging for free stuff. From some of the country's best beauty brands to Korea's top-selling products, I have been able to convince brands to collaborate with me in promoting their products online. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do the same for yourself. This is especially helpful for those who are starting as content creators and are still trying to build a name to get brands to sponsor them. So the number one thing you need to do is to prepare your own media kit. Simply put, a media kit is a document that summarizes who you are as a content creator and what you can offer to brands in exchange for their products. So it contains where your channels are, your numbers such as your followers, the kind of content you specialize in, and other things that are important for brands to know. So remember, when you try and ask brands to collaborate with you, you are actually pitching a business proposal. So you want things to look professional and convincing. I remember when I was still starting up with very few followers, I would normally get messages from other startup content creators who were asking me to collaborate with them because they thought I was selling products. Now, my problem with that is, sad to say, they really did sound like they were just begging for free stuff, because they would send me a message, ask me to partner with them, and they don't tell me anything about what they have to offer in return. So a media kit is a best solution for that. And for everybody's benefit, I have prepared some downloadable and editable media kit that you can use for yourself. The links are in the description box below, so feel free to download them. They're all free. And if you have questions on how you can use them, just let me know in the comments. Now, the next thing you would want to do is to fix your feed and beautify it. And we're not trying to do that just for the sake of aesthetics. So remember, when you're a startup content creator, one of our biggest challenges is that because our reach is still limited, it's not very probable that we will be landing actual sales for our clients. But there are a few things that we can offer for them for sure. And one of those things is the asset itself, or the content itself. So if you can take really nice and convincing photos of the product, or create a testimonial that is really authentic and reliable, those are things that your clients can use to market their products. So you're giving them something in return that they can use to put their name out there. Tagging your favorite brands in your content is one way to get them to notice you. So if you like a certain product and you have a good experience with it and you feel like it's worthy to put their name out there, make sure that when you post, you tag the brand, because who knows, they might notice your content and they might want to partner you. I'm speaking based on experience because I have had a few brands reach out to me after they saw me posting their items and their products, and they liked the photos, they liked the content, so they ended up offering me a partnership. And most of those were really unexpected. So who knows, just keep tagging them and they might just notice you. Another way to get brands to partner with you is to look for opportunities and to take advantage of them. There are so many brands out there who open up their slots for those who want to be their content creators. So whenever you see a brand inviting people to become their partners and content creators, take advantage of that opportunity and seize it. You have nothing to lose. Just take a bit of effort to follow their step-by-step process on how you can apply. And if you bag that slot, then it's a win-win for both you and the brand. There are just a few red flags that I need you guys to watch out for with regards to that, because there are some brands who take advantage of small-time content creators who, try to sell their products in the guise of wanting you to be their influencer, but at the end of the day, they ask you to pay for the products. So if you have to pay for something, that doesn't make you an influencer, it makes you a customer. So just watch out for that, okay? Before I end this video, I would like to invite all of you to let me know in the comments how I can further help you as a content creator. I am not an expert, I am still in the process of growing, but I am more than willing to share with you whatever knowledge or techniques that I have that has helped me grow as a content creator. I am listing a few topics in here and I plan to make videos of them. So if you want to watch any of them, just let me know which of these topics is the one that you want to watch the most or you are most interested in. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and I will see you in my next video.